This map shows the temperature anomaly across Europe, so areas that are expected to be hotter than we'd expect for this time of year. So you can see over the next few days the orange and red colours really concentrated across parts of Portugal, Spain, Ireland and the UK too. And it's down to the fact that we've got this big area of high pressure sitting across Europe and the winds are rotating around that. So they're going to be coming up from the warm Mediterranean and North Africa, bringing us a rise in temperature and also some Saharan dust in the atmosphere as we head towards the weekend. So you might notice that with some vibrant sunrises and sunsets. Now out there today, a bit of a mixed picture. We've got some blue sky, some sunshine there in Norfolk, but other areas have got more cloud and outbreaks of rain, particularly towards the north. So this is the picture in Perth and Kinross at the moment. And we're going to keep with that mix. So yes, some rain in the forecast over the next couple of days, mainly in the north, but we're all going to notice that those temperatures are going to be rising as we head towards the weekend. So for the rest of today, there is a bit of wet weather out there, particularly through parts of Wales, Northern England, Scotland as well. Northern Ireland should see the return of a bit of sunshine. Temperatures about 18 degrees for Belfast. Down towards parts of southern England, highs up to around 20 degrees or so. Now, through this evening and tonight, then that rain continues its progress northwards and eastwards. So it's going to be a bit of a soggy night through parts of Northern Ireland, Wales, Northern England, southern Scotland. But either side of that, some clearer spells and certainly milder than last night in the north. So most of us looking at about 10 to 15 degrees as we start our Friday morning. So Friday, more rain to come with a slow-moving front across parts of Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, Northern England as well. But to the north and the south of that weather front, a bit more sunshine coming through and it'll feel a touch warmer than today, so 22 or 23 possible down towards the southeast, typically the mid to high teens further north. But as we head through the course of the weekend, yes, high pressure towards the south, so lots of dry weather, but just look at this weather front. Now, that's going to be really quite slow moving across parts of Scotland, bringing some outbreaks of rain, dividing the cooler air in the north to the warm, humid air that's piling in towards the south. So lots of dry weather across the bulk of England, Wales and Northern Ireland too, but a lot of rain for central Scotland. In fact, could be some localised flooding. But just look at those temperatures, 25, 26 possible down towards the southeast. We're all well above average. Typically a little bit cooler though, where we've got that cooler air mass in the north. Heading through into Sunday, we've still got a weather front, so a bit more rain for a time across parts of Scotland, but further south, temperatures are going to be on the rise again, so it is looking pretty warm for many of us through the weekend. Rita.